Are you ready to supercharge your productivity with ChatGPT's scheduled tasks? This exciting feature, currently in beta, has the potential to revolutionize how you manage your time and tasks. I recently gave it a try and I'm here to share my honest feedback, including both the highs and the hiccups. First, I was genuinely excited to explore the potential of scheduled tasks. The idea of having an AI assistant sending me personalized updates, creative prompts, and reminders sounded amazing. So I set up a few tasks. Cybersecurity News Digest at 7 p.m. daily, daily motivation at 8:30 a.m., work break reminders throughout the day, fitness routine for a quick 10 minutes workout, creative writing prompts, and productivity tips at specific times. The Cybersecurity News Digest task worked flawlessly, received both a push and an email notification with detailed updates, including notable data breaches, emerging trends, and even sources for further reading. This was everything I hoped for. Actionable and informative. The daily motivation task also triggered perfectly. When I edited the time to 8:30 a.m., I received a motivational quote via email, inspiring me a start inspiring me to start my day on a positive note. This is where things got a bit bumpy. Work break reminders. When I tried to schedule reminders every 2 hours, I received an error. Task scheduling wasn't completed. Please ask again. Repeated attempts didn't help. Fitness routine. I scheduled this to trigger at the same time as the motivational quote at 8:30 a.m. While I did receive the motivational email, the fitness routine never arrived. No notification, no email. Creative writing prompts and productivity tips. Despite setting clear prompts for these tasks at 8:40 a.m. and 8:45 a.m., nothing happened. I didn't receive any emails or push notifications. Since scheduled tasks are currently in beta, it's understandable that there might be some limitations and hiccups. Features in beta often go through testing and refinement, and I'm confident these issues will be addressed as the feature evolves. Here's my takeaway from this experience. Reliability is inconsistent. While some tasks triggered perfectly, others didn't, even when they were set up correctly. It seems there might be a limit or conflict when scheduling tasks too close together. Error messages could be more helpful. The task scheduling wasn't completed. Error didn't provide any guidance on what went wrong or how to fix it. Room for improvement in simultaneous tasks. Tasks scheduled for the same time or close together didn't always work as expected. This could be a feature limitation or a bug. What I love the most. Despite the hiccups, the scheduled task feature has great potential. The task that work delivered exactly what I wanted. Personalized and timely update that added value to my day. Suggestions for improvement. Better error handling. Clearer error messages would make it easier to troubleshoot issues. Improved task overlap management. Ensure tasks scheduled at similar times don't conflict. More robust execution. Increase reliability so all scheduled tasks trigger as expected. If you are looking for a personal assistant to handle reminders and updates, ChatGPT scheduled tasks is worth exploring. Just be prepared for a bit of a trial and error. As the feature evolves, I'm confident these issues will be addressed. ChatGPT scheduled tasks has a potential to transform the way we work and live. But like any new feature, it's still a work in progress. I'm excited to see how it grows and improves. Have you tried scheduled tasks yet? Let me know your experience in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next time.